Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Gummy Choco is probably one of the most delightful and innovative snack creations to hit the market, perfectly blending the chewy joy of your favorite fruit gummies with the rich, melt-in-your-mouth indulgence of premium chocolate, creating an irresistible treat that promises a unique textural and flavor experience with every single bite, making it a must-try for anyone seeking a truly extraordinary sweet escape. Number 5. GirlZone Little Choco Delights Maker Kit. Get ready for a sweet adventure with this kit. Perfect for kids 7 and up, they can create yummy treats using its chocolate maker machine and colorful wrappers. Keep kids engaged with this fun kit that sparks their imagination. Watch their creativity shine as they experiment with its supplies and create delightful edible treats. Make any day special with this awesome gift for 8-year-old girl birthdays or just because. Let them craft and wrap their own chocolate mementos to share with friends and family. With clear instructions and durable silicone tools, kids can easily make delicious chocolate creations again and again. It makes a fun weekend project or addition to your kitchen kit collection. Its long-lasting silicone tools let kids practice their chocolate skills over and over. Perfect for adding to your cooking kits for kids, it offers hours of tasty fun and creative exploration. What we like. This kit offers a fantastic hands-on experience for young aspiring chocolatiers. It encourages creativity and provides reusable tools for endless fun. If you have a child who loves to create and enjoy sweet treats, this is the perfect gift to spark their imagination. What people say. Number 4. Haribo Happy Cola Gummies. Experience the timeless taste of your favorite soda in a delightful gummy form. These treats capture the authentic cola flavor you love. Each gummy is crafted into a charming miniature cola bottle. Their playful design makes them fun to eat and share. From the trusted Haribo brand, you can expect the same high quality and deliciousness. They are made with care for your enjoyment. This convenient 5-ounce bag is ideal for on-the-go snacking or sharing with friends. It's just the right amount to satisfy your sweet cravings. Add a touch of joy to your day with these cheerful gummies. They are perfect for parties, movie nights, or a simple sweet escape. What we like. These iconic gummies deliver a timeless cola taste that's loved by many. Their signature chewy texture provides a satisfying bite every time. If you're a fan of classic candy flavors and enjoy a good chew, this bag is a perfect nostalgic treat. What people say. Number 3. YumEarth Choco Yums Snack Packs. Introducing our delightful Choco Yums. These convenient snack packs are perfect for on-the-go enjoyment. Each pack contains 0.7 ounces of pure deliciousness. We understand the importance of safe snacking. That's why these treats are crafted to be allergy-friendly, so more people can enjoy them worry-free. They are a thoughtful choice for sensitive diets. For those avoiding gluten, these are a perfect solution. You can savor every bite without compromise. They offer a truly satisfying experience for everyone. Committed to quality, these are made with non-GMO ingredients. Plus, they are completely vegan, making them suitable for a plant-based lifestyle. Enjoy a snack that aligns with your values. You won't find any artificial flavors or dyes here. We believe in natural taste and vibrant colors from real ingredients. These offer a wholesome and authentic treat. What we like. These delightful treats are a fantastic option for those with dietary restrictions. They are allergy-friendly, vegan, and gluten-free, making them accessible to many. If you're looking for a safe and delicious chocolate snack for yourself or someone with specific dietary needs, these individual packs are an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Cannot extract positive points as the input source is empty. Number 2. Meiji Gummy Choco Strawberry. Indulge in a delightful treat that combines the best of fruit and chocolate. These delicious gummies offer a unique taste experience. Experience the authentic taste of ripe strawberries in every bite. They are perfectly complemented by a rich chocolate coating. Enjoy the satisfying chewiness of the gummy center, enveloped in a smooth, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate shell. It's a perfect textural harmony. Each tube is perfectly sized for on-the-go enjoyment or sharing. They come in a convenient pack of 6, ensuring you always have a treat handy. You get a substantial amount of deliciousness in each 2.86-ounce tube. This pack offers great value for your sweet cravings. What we like. This unique snack combines the fruity tang of strawberry gummy with a smooth chocolate shell. The individual tubes make them perfect for on-the-go enjoyment. If you love the combination of fruit and chocolate and appreciate a convenient, mess-free treat, these tubes are ideal for your next snack craving. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source content. Unable to extract specific points due to empty input. Number 1. Ricolino Panditas Choco Gummy Bears. Discover a delightful treat that combines fruity sweetness with rich chocolate. These adorable panda-shaped gummies are sure to bring a smile to your face. Experience the perfect blend of artificial strawberry flavor and a smooth chocolate-flavored coating. It's a taste sensation that's both familiar and exciting. Each box contains 8 bags, and inside each bag, you'll find 8 individually wrapped large gummies. This makes them perfect for sharing or enjoying on the go. With 8 bags in every box and multiple gummies per bag, there's plenty to go around. They are ideal for parties, lunchboxes, or a sweet moment anytime. You get a generous net weight of 44.8 ounces of pure deliciousness. This ensures you have enough of these delightful candies to satisfy your cravings. What we like. These adorable panda-shaped gummies offer a playful twist on a classic treat. Each one features a strawberry gummy center enrobed in a chocolate-flavored coating. If you're looking for a fun, visually appealing snack that combines fruity and chocolatey goodness, these charming pandas are sure to bring a smile. What people say. The Gummy Choco offers a unique texture, combining a soft, chewy gummy center with a smooth, rich chocolate coating. Each piece is designed for a satisfying bite, ensuring the distinct flavors of fruit gummy and chocolate are well balanced. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.